Read and analyze texts challenged based on their exploration of provocative concepts such as governmental power, violence, sexuality, gender, race, and religion.
For students that want to begin developing their skills, peek behind the curtain as you explore writing and acting. For students that want to extend their skills by learning new skills and taking on more challenging roles. For experienced actors, this course will continue your development as a writer and actor and will begin to teach you directing skills. For our most advanced actors, this course will continue your development as a writer and actor but will place its emphasis on directing skills.
Love writing poetry, short stories, plays, novels, and working in a workshop model? Then creative writing is for you. Once you develop some basic creative writing skills, take it to the next level with Creative Writing 2, a course that allows students to complete a self-selected major text or collection choosing from a variety of genres.
Command a room and become a stronger, more compelling speaker as you refine your verbal and presentation skills. Learn advanced presentation and public speaking techniques while learning the arts of formal and logical debate.
Learn the basics of radio history and about the technology of radio broadcasting. Let your voice be heard on JFK's very own radio station, WPOB. Complete studio assignments to master audio production using traditional equipment and cutting-edge technology. Students learn news production and directing techniques and develop newscasting skills. Students broadcast a news show every Friday on our radio station, WPOB.
Advanced Radio Daily Broadcasting serves as a year-long opportunity for our advanced radio and communication students to further engage in our radio program. This course will grant more opportunities for our experienced students to have daily radio broadcast time, create weekly news shows, record podcasts, and also learn how to manage the station and produce other on-air talent.